Anyways, hello everyone, it's Fans Galore again. And today I'm going to be doing just a first impressions and unboxing of this Germ Guardian AirSafe Plus Intelligent Air Purifier plus HEPA and ultraviolet technology, UVC. So, maybe a little over a month ago, I bought one of the new Germ Guardian air purifiers with the air quality sensor that's the tower unit of my channel, and I've had that in the basement and it's been working great. However, I was looking for something a little bit smaller to take with my office to my job. Just wanted something just to keep the air clean, and you know, I just figured while this unit was on sale, I would go grab it. So this is what it is. So basically it's just like the other Germ Guardian tower unit I have, the IntelliSense AI, just in a smaller unit, although this one does over 1,000 square feet compared to the other unit, which I think was like 800. So let me just show you what the actual box looks like real quick. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna kind of breeze through it, if you will. IntelliSafe Plus. I think they used to sell these as like, or IntelliSense AI AirSafe Plus. I think they used to sell them as just AirSafe without the UVC, if I remember correctly, but this one has it. IntelliSense AI Auto Mode, free 60 minutes. This is just stuff from Amazon. And, focus. It ships from Lasko products. Let's see if, there we go. So, yep. There's just some other stuff. So it says it's for medium rooms. But this is where it gets a little weird. So it says large rooms, but also medium rooms. So which one is it? Although in the little office that I have, it's probably gonna do just fine. This is it in Spanish. Yep. All the goods, cool. IntelliSense AI everywhere. It's honestly annoying, but whatever. It's the barcode at the bottom. 5-year limited warranty. Okay. Energy Star. And I'm just gonna glaze through it real quickly because I really want to kind of just take the unit out and just see what it looks like out of the box. So pause if you want to get any further information. Cool. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the tape off the top and pull the unit out of the box and go from there. So opening up the box, odor will dissipate because there is always a little off gas from any sort of air purifier I've used, so that's smart. I think it's very similar to the other stuff. Guardian. It's kind of cute, I like that. Rewards are in the air, create an account. Cool. That's the instruction manual. Okay. There's the cord, very nice. Now the only thing, and maybe there's something that I just missed, I kind of wish this one had like an air quality meter, just like my other unit does, but this one doesn't appear to have that. So I am just going to quickly pause again, pull the unit out of the box, and I will be right back. We are back. This is what it looks like out of the box with all the sort of plastic on it still. Nothing else in the box. Looks like it's just got a standard plug. It looks actually the same to the tower unit that I reviewed, so cool. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic bag off of it, go from there. And this is what the unit looks like without the tape on the top. So UVC button there, 3 speeds with the night mode that turns off all lights. The only air quality light is the Germ Guardian that's in the front. See that right there? Yeah. But no air quality meter, which is kind of disappointing. But I am going to show you the way to change the filter because it's definitely unique. I've never seen a unit that does this before. So while we're looking around the back, there's the actual air quality meter, and you can clean it one way or another. That pops off and you can just clean it. So it takes filter V, but you just push this off right here. These basically pop right off. You can get inside. There's a UVC light in the blower motor, filter V, cool. And then you basically just line up the 2 spots here again. And it all just clicks into place. And I'll go ahead and flip it over and we'll go ahead and plug it in. All right, so last thing we need to do is plug it in. So it's actually a really decent length cord. So no issues there. So it plugs in. This is gonna be kind of interesting because the controls are on the top, but I want you to see the actual air quality meter that's in the front. That's the LED strip that's there where it says Germ Guardian. So you can either get this unit, I wanted to say too, in white or black, but obviously going with the black trend of appliances, because I do like my appliances in black. I just like the way it looks. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So pretty sure this one's gonna start in auto, so here we go. Well, I guess a win so far is it's very quiet. So it turned on for just a second and then it went into its eco mode, just like my other unit does. So the fan's off, but it's monitoring the air quality. If you can see there, this is what it looks like from the actual unit. Hang on a minute, let me just show it this way. So, yeah, the fan is not spinning, but let's turn it on low and just hear how it sounds. Just kick on the UV light too, just in case. Not that you can tell other than the light, but why not? Oh, you can see it in there, actually, I think. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, you can see it in there, cool. So that's the low speed, which is really quiet. Let's bump it up to medium. A little noisy on the high setting, but it's not too bad. It does blow a pretty good amount of air though. And then this is sleep, which will flash the lights to indicate it's going into sleep mode, and then all the lights will shut off. But it'll just run at the lowest speed. Cool. That shuts it off. Back in auto, no noise. Back to high. So that is the Germ Guardian AirSense Plus small little air purifier, and so far I'm pretty happy with it. I can't wait to take it into the office and report back in 6 months and see how this unit is done. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.